I'm going to now demonstrate to you the advanced feedback generator. So the advanced feedback generator is now available on TeacherMatic, and it has some similarities to the original feedback generator. And I'm just going to go through the whole process here. So to start off with, you click on Add Assignment, and this is quite similar to the feedback generator one. So I'm going to do one on welding PPE. So first, we can give a title in there. You say, how am I going to give the assignment details? And I'm going to upload an assignment brief here and find my assignment brief and upload that. And then the top submission, now a little bit different here, where you have to select either text-based or graphic handwritten work. And if you want the full functionality of the new generator, text-based work is best. So word process, PDFs. And then a little bit of a difference here. What feedback mode do you want? And normally you would select both of these, but if you're doing handwritten, you can't select the second one. So do you want the usual advisory, formative, or summative feedback? And select the annotated PDF, which is an important new feature of this. And then because I've selected advisory, formative, and summative, I've got the choices that we had before, whether we want formative feedback, summative feedback, advisory feedback, etc. And I'm selecting detailed formative feedback, addressing the learner as you. How do we want the work to be graded? Now here you can upload a rubric. You can use the unit specification. You can say, don't grade the work, we want feedback only. Or we can select a grading scale, and that's what I'm going to do here. And then we've got a wide range of grading scales. This is a BTEC type assignment, so I'm going to put in a BTEC scale. Let it know what level you want. So England, Wales, Northern Ireland, this is a level 3 assignment. And if you're based in Scotland, you can go select Scotland, have the Scottish levels. And then I'm going to save that, and that will create the assignment. And you'll see that is now there with 0 submissions. Now, if I want to then add some submissions to this assignment, I click on submissions, and I can either drag and drop student work onto there, or I can click upload file. And here are 3 assignments that I wish to upload. I've selected those, and those are now processing. Okay, so while that's happening, I'm going to just takes a couple of minutes normally. I'm going to show you some other ones that have been done already. So this is a university, first year university assignment that I've already put on there and marked the assignments. So what TeacherMatic does, once it has processed them, as before, you can view feedback on an assignment. And so it writes that kind of detailed feedback. And so you see Ethics Essay 1, it's giving a suggested grade of 78. Now, just to demonstrate, so that was uploaded 3 days ago, and I also uploaded it, that same essay, about an hour ago. And you see it's giving a grade of 75, so extremely close in the grading. But the real magical thing, and I, compliment Richard and Ollie and the whole team on what they're doing here, is this PDF part of it. So what TeacherMatic is doing, a bit like the old-fashioned way of how we would write on our students' assignments with our pens back in my day when I used to mark, is giving feedback actually onto the assignment directly. So if I click on the purple highlighted bit, TeacherMatic has written some detailed feedback on that initial introduction sentence. And the teacher can then, if they don't like that feedback, they can delete it. They can add further to it and edit it. And if you do add anything, it's important you click save at the moment, but that will auto save in a few weeks' time. And you can also add your own feedback. So you can highlight some text and add your own feedback to that. So that is the key sort of features of the the new feedback generator. And if I go back to the assignments, you'll see those three that I've just uploaded are now all fully marked. Okay, so just a little bit about what's coming next. That we are looking to develop a link for students so that you will be able to share with your students so they can get their work pre-marked. We are looking to put in some admin settings so it will ensure that the teacher must do maybe 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5 edits on the PDF before they can download it and share it with the students. So that's sort of forcing that human in the loop hybrid marking. We are looking perhaps at some point in doing something around plagiarism detection. And part of the reason I'm keen to do this is that some of the products that are doing plagiarism detection are also offering an AI detection service. And there's a lot of evidence, and someone has asked about AI detection, that automated AI detection just doesn't work. And I had some very concerning conversations with some of our customers at TeacherFest over the last few days, where they're saying that students are being accused of cheating when they haven't cheated, and staff are taking too seriously that a product that is saying it's detecting plagiarism has detected detected AI use where the student hasn't used AI. And so I think we have to be very careful about that. And hopefully down the line, to improve workflow, we will be able to look at how we can do some integration with BLEs.